I don't know why I want to pronounce it customizability. Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay from AORUS, and today we're going to be looking at the long-awaited AORUS RGB RAM. As many of you know, RAM is a new product category we're getting into, and we are really excited we can now offer the missing piece to complete the whole AORUS solution. So let's go ahead and open the box. You can already tell that this is a pretty quality product because it's pretty heavy and it looks really sleek. And there's our AORUS logo right there. Our AORUS RAM offers a lot of new interesting features that stand out from its competitors. The biggest unique feature we offer is that you can now fill all 4 DIMM slots of your motherboard without breaking the bank. And in case you were wondering, we do offer 2 dummy sticks along with 2 real sticks of RAM that will allow you to complete your whole PC build without spending all your money on RAM. The second feature is that we are using Samsung B-Die memory modules. This means that we are using one of the highest quality memory, ensuring that you get great performance and a lifetime warranty. Some other cool features is that our RAM has a high density heatsink on our modules for efficient cooling. It fits seamlessly into the RGB Fusion ecosystem with easy customizability. And the last feature is that our RAM is compatible with all motherboards. So no matter what part you have in your system, AORUS RGB memory will fit perfectly into your build. With the AORUS RGB RAM, there are endless possibilities for you and your system. I'm Lindsay from AORUS, and we'll see you in the next one.